Let's start right away. Hi, Nigel. I'm not even gonna wait. So yeah, I'm Microexpansion. Still need to complete YouTube description. The description just grows. It's like Luanti, Microexpansion, then comes Satan, then comes Chatter, and then just all the links, everything I worked on. Just added as a link here, and also yeah, I need to additionally add what was it called? What was it called? Applied Energistics. Applied Energistics 2. I should probably provide a link to it. I don't even know which one. Is there Modrin's link? I would probably use that one. Searching for clay. Let's go. Ask Force Unleashed when exchange clone is gonna be available. You'll be able to buy some. By the way, looking at map, which actually loads finally, and it's pretty big, you know. By the way, I can see you on the map. Did you know? Force Unleashed has exchange clone, which will allow you to buy some clay. Wiki Luanti org/clay. Does this page actually exist? If I type wiki, it literally opens a GDT on me. Wiki Luanti org clay. By the way, I really like this music playlist. Wow, this page actually exists. Crafts out of clay, mined by a shovel. I guess it can be found in rivers. So Nigel, I can see you here, by the way. And why do you not have all the... Did you teleport? I did, you did. Why do you not have all the breath? By the way, I'm just gonna show you something. Just beacon. So if you type 8080 as the port, you can sign into this web UI. And yeah, it also has a lot of possibilities. One thing is it's not secure. It's HTTP, so I'm not sure if you should just write your username and password, which is, by the way, just your Luanti username and password, but you can join there and, like, I don't know, see. There's chat. You're not gonna have access to shell, I've checked that. So yeah, there's online player list, which, oh my god, you can see coordinates. I'm not quite sure about that. Christ. Okay, so I can just go look at it on stream, right? Go SSH into the server and look into those files. Just kidding. So yeah, there are logs for me, by the way, which... Hi, Synclum. Which, yeah, I should not show, because they include IP addresses. File browser, config mods and stuff. I should probably not show a lot of stuff here. I'm using the default format, which is... I don't know which, but yeah, I guess. So yeah, Synclum, it's actually evening for me. 5:34 PM. It's dark outside. It's like, actually, I was outside like a few minutes ago. It's dark. And again, New Year tomorrow for me, actually. If you didn't know, in my country, we're not used to celebrate Christmas as much as we used to celebrate New Year. So yeah, the holidays tomorrow for me. Anyway, I still haven't made this public and also added to votes playlist. So yeah, YouTube should be live. Now, actually get to it. If I get mine test, and it's still called mine test, and by the way, I can't update because I don't know why. NixOS just decides to fail to build packages with GCC errors. By the way, I can update stuff. Still sure. Updates, I don't know. I don't really care about updates, to be honest. I should probably update some mods on the server. And I can't really. Because, I mean, the web UI I just showed, it's actually pretty good. It can update mods, but, well, I don't have... It doesn't have all my mods imported. Especially partially because I'm using mod packs. And did I just open a world by double clicking into an empty space? This like this icon, I see recording here, and I'm like, am I streaming? Am I live? Or am I just recording? Why the way? Why am I peeking? Why am I peeking? That is interesting. Properties, no filters. I think I have gain. Can lower that down maybe finally. Because I mean, maybe today I'm just screaming a lot. Why? Why am I peeking? Also, why is webcam so slow? Again. Maybe I need to get a new webcam. Let's do this. Relatively good. Yeah, I do need to get a new webcam. I mean, a new one. This is built-in one, so I guess just a webcam. Also, I'm still peeking. I need to... I don't know why. Have I never spoke that loud before on stream? 7, hey, come on. Just lower that to, I don't know, 5. Close. Okay, should be now fine. Hopefully. Anyway. So if we load up, log in, yeah, that's my testing world. We have the ME system here, Microexpansion. And yeah, as you can see, those buttons, those icons are old. Also, we don't have an icon for the remote, which you can probably tell on the server as well. There's quite a few things I don't understand. For example, quantum link. What does it do? What is it for? Quantum ring, quantum stuff. I don't know. Give me this. You can craft it. It's not used in crafting. Scissor. Well, today I play. By the way, can you actually see me? Because Twitch is dark. Twitch is saying I'm offline, huh? I guess you can see me. If nobody mentioned that before. What am I doing? I am... Well, I planned to port applied energistics to Luanti. Well, not port, to improve the port, which is Microexpansion. It's not really port, it's just a mod like applied energistics from Minecraft. Luanti is a game which is, well, more like a game engine, to be honest. So yeah, mods are written in Lua, so we're gonna be writing some Lua today. By the way, how does this? Yeah, it's fine. I'm just concerned about how I look like from the side. So yeah, I guess it says 7% it works. What is that? I wonder. Wait. I don't remember. I don't think I can really check. Ooh. Is there a menu for everything? Very loud. Yeah, I guess they're pretty loud. Can lower it down. Paper crumbling? That's water. Yeah, you don't go deep. Haven't heard of that. Well, I haven't heard either until Nigel told me. I think he was the first person to tell me about this. And after that, I found out what's unleashed because he wrote in our client server about that he was porting mods to Minetest. Yeah, it's more popular known as Minetest. It was Minetest when I found what's unleashed, I think. Actually, I think it hasn't started renaming. I actually like calling it Luanti. I like that it has a name, not like Minecraft clone, mine test. By the way, did you know that cables, you mine them with a shovel? Why? I don't know why. I kinda don't agree with that. I would change that, but I don't know. I don't think PR. It is not a Minecraft clone, it is a... What am I doing? By the way, yeah, generators. So it is not a Minecraft clone, it is a game engine. Minecraft is not a game engine. Minecraft is nothing compared to this. And yeah, I really like Asuna. The base game, which is a mod pack basically, the main mod pack is really nice. 9 slots and you can change that, or 16 or 10. Well, 9 make a perfect square, and it's really just easy to create recipes. What am I doing? It's easy to create recipes for a 9 slot area. Well, that's just 4 slots. But if we take a look at more complex recipes, hey, here, it's just convenient. Minecraft did it, but yeah, Minecraft has proven that 3x3 crafting grid is convenient and easy to use. Anyway, so yes, there is actually a fuel fire generator which you can't open, and in the code it's hard coded to give 5 power per tick whatever units the RAM. But you don't actually need it for an enemy system to function, which is interesting. Let me get pickaxe. Is there pots? Wow. By an archaeological pickaxe. There. What is that? I did not know about that, honestly. There are interesting things in here. Anyway. So yeah, actually this is not the mod. Like what you're seeing here, this is not the original version of a mod. It's not one you get from Microexpansion. It's not the one, it's not this one. And as you can see, I don't even have it downloaded. Override. Let me open. By the way, I should move Gdo here, because it really messes with me. Let's go to not dev, let's go to home. Mine test, which is still called mine test. Yeah, renaming is hard. Mods, so yeah, I gonna rename it to just -2. Override. No. Orion could actually give you some clay, maybe. I mean, he doesn't have any, but maybe actually he has. I'm not quite sure. I don't know where you find clay in regular Minecraft, well, mine test. Well, Asuna or mine test default game. Yeah, I guess somewhere in the water. Well, honestly, I know so much about what you have as well, because I literally have spying mods installed. Maybe I can see you. Why do you have 5 bubbles? Huh? Fair enough. Okay, Nigel, let's not repeat trust issues. Anyway, so yeah, map is actually, it's actually pretty big. You can see someone exploring there and like in straight lines coming back to their home. Yeah, that's weird. I guess it's 5 in total. Well, I don't know why. I guess it's just broken. Anyway, getting this thing working is just a nightmare sometimes. C++, yeah. Well, actually, both of those things, both of those UIs are written in Go. Anyway, so yeah, we can look at the map and we can see some interesting biomes here. You probably won't find clay there. No. I think I saw some in baskets. Anyway, so if you just install Microexpansion, which is I don't know how broken it is, honestly. I think it's pretty broken because I have have two mods. I have two mods with the same mod name. If I go back to mods here, now it should. Well, now it should load properly. The right version. Now come on, boot. Yeah, as you can see, unknown nodes, because this is not the original Microexpansion, not the original repo. So first time I wrote that I'm gonna fork it. Well, I didn't. I think maybe I did. I'm not quite sure. So yeah, we can take a look. There are drives. There is a controller. The thing still works. Yeah, this thing still works. So yeah, there are cards, importer, exporter, and yeah, that's basically it. So the drive, there's controller, import export bus, security terminal. Oh, and by the way, there is. So yeah, there's security terminal, and then there is terminal. No crafting terminal, no whatever. So yeah, there's just a regular. There's just a regular terminal. And yeah, there's still fuel fire generator. I don't think it even does anything. If we actually just go and take a look at the source code, I think it's modules. Yeah, the structure has been a bit reorganized. Gen Luam. This is the one. I actually like this structure. When you have small, tiny modules, it's actually easy to understand. It's actually easy to understand code that not you wrote, which is awesome. So yeah, the generator, no, it still has this. Arcspos. Generates 5 ME per tick. Return 5, burn fuel, yeah, that's it. And it's not even, you don't even need it. So you have a machine, it's registered, but you don't need to use it. It's not even gonna say that there's no power. Oh, and by the way, I did actually hack this thing because hold on. I still don't really like the sound. Maybe I should just remove it. So yeah, I still don't really like. Well, I did modify one thing about this mod. Because, well, about the fork. Because let's actually get into forks. The Fox 6 is this is the original. Oops, hold on. This is the original repository, and the master branch is. Well, yeah, this thing has been updated since Mineclone. Wait, not Mineclone. This thing has been updated since it was released on Minetest Luanti content database. So yeah, it's actually a fork. The Fox 6 is actually a fork of the original, which is like actually old. By the way, applied energistics is actually, I think, old. Oh wait, no, equivalent exchange. That's what. It's like the equivalent exchange 2 is like from whatever 7 years ago. I was not expecting that, and I was like looking at the video, and the person had like this old. I think it was even not enough items mod. And there come just enough items, roughly enough items, etc. Anyway, so this is the original repository. It has, other than master, it has MRS branch. I have no idea why it's called MRS, or I'm not quite sure what this is pronounced, because I think it's miss, whatever. Which is even more commits ahead, and as you can see, master merges into this branch. But that's not what still not what I've used, because if we take a look at pull requests, there's one by this guy, a lot of stuff, and yeah, I said that doesn't complain, etc. So yeah, this guy is, I guess, a developer, the person who actually works with stuff. A remote for storage, 2 form of automatic crafting, a crafting monitor, a crafting terminal. Wait, there was automatic crafting actually? Interesting. An interface for machines, pipe works after crafter and all technic plus machines and the default furnace. What is the... Oh, an interface you mean like... Yeah, by the way, we don't have pipework on the server because I don't like basic materials mode, which is all of them depend on it. Because Microexpansion can actually run without any other mods installed. Well, it is, I think, well, actually no, it's not hard dependent on default, because it also supports Mind Clone now. But still, makes the drive UI prettier. Writing technic, wiring of Technic power system HV. And Technic is present. Yeah, as you can see, Technic optional Technic dependencies. So yeah, I did some comments here. It errored. Doesn't work without Technic because for a single line which you don't even need. I mean, it works completely fine without it. If I'm actually gonna bring back the mod we had before, here, and we'll log out. So there was a line, I don't quite remember where it was. Git diff. Now you can see here. Yeah, that's me modifying enabled. No Technic here. Line in network controller, line 359. Modules network controller 359 somewhere here. Else no Technic. This line was just, this function is not defined anywhere. This doesn't exist. I just commented it out and it works just fine. I guess maybe it's the power. Maybe it was meant to handle power without Technic. To distract, yeah, that's stuff. So yeah, this is an integration branch, by the way. Writing. Oh yeah, controller by default. Like if you have miscons, you can control the controller. You can enable it and disable it. I don't really remember. Yeah, here. Miscons. It's like redstone for mine test for Luanti. So yeah, but by default it's disabled, and there's no other way to enable it. So I just hard coded it into enabled by default. Yeah, that was fun. No conflicts. Nobody murders it. I don't know why. See, if we go into this guy's repository, that's integration is not the only branch. Because there's also master, which is whatever. Oh, it's up to date, yeah. And there's MRS, which is like another few commits ahead of the MRS branch from here, from the Fox 6, which is MRS branch, which is 90 something commits ahead of whatever. Then 2.2. I don't know what this is. Oh, really? It's Fox 6 fork. Interesting. Because like the Fox 6's fork is the main one right now. Versions 2 unstable, node Microexpansion acquires maintained dev. Remade by the Fox. Original mod by... Okay, yeah, I know it's remade by the Fox. Oh, that's the first commit in MRS. You mean networks to-do list? Yeah. So, I guess this person. So yeah, this person also did a lot of work. There is integration branch, which is like, I guess this person's work and MRS from the Fox. In order to pull request it, it's in pull request into master. 36 commits. So yeah, I just took this PR, did a few things as I already told, including setting and well enabled and new Technic line. So yeah, I don't know. Those people don't answer. It's like 9 months ago is last thing they did. last commit in the well, actually, yeah, in the integration branch, I think that's like in the last commit total. Yeah, and this pull request, nobody ever wrote a message on it except for me. I don't know why. Where's the folks? Where are people who were doing this? I guess they have their own lives. I don't know. Like, it's weird not even responding to the PR. Not even saying anything. To me, at least. And like, not even responding for almost a year. So that's why. Anyway, I guess I don't really know what to do here. Let's log in. Oh, and by the way, if I actually log in, so the remote actually does have a texture. It's just from Technic. It's a texture of another item from Technic, which is, I mean, no, not good. So yeah, if we go Microexpansion, well, basic system works, except, well, breaking drive. I mean, you can't break while drives are inside, and I did actually move on the server. I did move the drive and the whole system basically. I moved it. It broke partially. It was like, I opened it, it's fine. Then I opened it again. It's at 1 out of 2 pages. It's broken, and all my items were lying around where the controller was. Well, where the drive was initially. But I mean, all my items were preserved, so I guess fine. And I don't think I can break this with the drive. The drives hold all the items in their metadata. You can see this tooltip, but trade by ME system. By me system. Anyway, so it says this tooltip is also not up to date. I think it's not like updating correctly all the time. Yeah, as you can see, it's not up to date. It's still in 2, even though I put a lot of items here. And if I take it out, now it updated 6. Put it back in, I can take all of it back. Oh, and it's also, sometimes it can dupe items, sometimes it can eat away items. That's especially with the crafting terminal, because like the difference between it, probably on the ground. Difference between normal terminal and crafting terminal, you have a crafting grid in here. For time. I mean, I need to figure out the issues first. The crafting terminal, by the way, I can't see anything, huh? Oh wait, there's nothing in the system. Yeah, they do access the same thing. By the way, I just wanna show the remote icon. I think left click. By the way, it says no network on the left here. That's not right. It is connected to a network, which is weird. Anyway, connected to a mirror in the network. Now I go away. I point in the sky, because if I point at a block, it's not gonna work. And this thing, charge level, huh? Interesting. I haven't noticed this. Charge level. Anyway, this thing works. You can take items out remotely, put items in remotely. Right now it doesn't have a craft, or else I would have crafted it immediately on the server. By the way, also, I don't really like this UI and description crafts. This only shows craftable items. I don't quite understand what those ticks mean. We'll read the code, no? So yeah, this thing exists. So yeah, in the crafting terminal, first thing I wanna address, if for example rice, if you might know that I'm using rice bread, because I have rice on the server when I'm playing it as a survival player, and if I get a few of those, and what was this thing called? Good question. Ooh, what? Anyway, so this thing, Oh my god, I still can't. I'm just gonna say and. Yes. Best. I just can't read this name anyway. So if we take all of this, put it into our crafting grid in the unified inventory, and I take one. Ooh. This is another that I'm using. So yeah, if I take one of those things, I can craft all of my things into bread pieces, into rice flour, and this thing doesn't disappear. It doesn't go anywhere. It's like it just, you don't use it. That's it. Grapes. What's a grape? I don't remember. Sorry. So now, if I take one piece of rice flour, it. Oh wait, grape is a fruit, I guess. Did it go into the ME system? Then it kinda makes sense. At the same time, as you can, well, if I just take 4, whatever, yeah, I need 4 of this and then put all of this into a ME system, which for some reason shift click doesn't work, huh? Oh, because this thing is messed up. I don't know what grape in English is. Let me translate it. I'm not even gonna hide anything. Okay, no, I don't know what this is. Is this thing in... This thing is in Asuna? Wait. Okay, anyway, where are you growing that? So, yeah, we have some rice here. I'm gonna take this out. I know what grape is. Okay, you know. I didn't know it in English. So yeah, if we look carefully, I take this piece of rice flour, then it refills rice. It refills it from the storage, which is really useful. But for some reason this thing just jumped there, back into the storage. I don't know why. And it not only jumped there, I can't shift click because it's occupying an empty space. Which now I need to take it out, then if I put it back in, it's fix the UI. Anyway, I think that's first thing I wanna address, because this is really annoying. Autocraft. I did not know autocraft existed here. I'm not sure if it is. Alternatives in materials shared. Materials shared, alternatives. What's shared? Oh, is this recipes? Okay, it puts in mocha. Where do I find themes? So, preferences somewhere? Where are settings? Sessions, tools. Setting. Oh, here. Found it. Yeah. Come on. Is this, which one did you redeem? Mocha? Here. Oh my god, this reminds me of something. This reminds me of a different theme. Anyway. This hat is kinda hard to wear if you didn't know. So yeah, I guess those are recipes. By the way, if mine clone... Oh yeah, that's mine clone. So if mine clone we use this, else we use this. Anyway, I guess that's not the crafting I needed. Quantum storage, item transfer, ores. I don't even know where to look for. I guess storage. C terminal, C monitor. Oh, that's C for crafting, I guess. And then there's a regular terminal. Technic interrupt, pipe works interrupt, remote terminal, yeah. So crafting terminal. List string. List string. Button to drive. Tooltip moves everything from your inventory to the ME network. Yeah, that's a bit useful. Oh, that's just useful. A little bit. Then a checkbox. Desk. What's desk? What's desk? The end true or false. Huh. A checkbox that should be saying true or false. Search the description. Oh, search the description. Oh, and the true or false is the value. So if I look at the rice, well, rice, just rice, can do Asuna. I guess that's why it searches. Okay, so if I put enemy drive into this thing, stores items. Let's literally say stores items. I think I should be lowercase. Yes, it works, and if I turn this off, it doesn't show. Okay, that makes sense now. And also, I think those buttons do need some icons. I really think that, especially the to drive one. Now button field tooltip search field autocraft. Yeah, I guess I agree. We'll figure it out. No connected storage, no connected networks. Net powered is always true. Well, it's not always true actually. It is false if the controller is off. I'm gonna say that. But that doesn't really matter. GUI stuff. Just loads buttons. Huh? Checkbox tooltip field autocraft. Crafts. What's the show only craftable items? Only craftable items. The tooltip crafts. That's a checkbox crafts. Oops. Come on. Let me search for crafts. So this is I guess it's a bool here again. Oh, it's C. Form spec. Why is it called a chest form spec? From list crafts, list name crafts, list name crafts, list name crafts, crafts, string fields crafts, and crafts fields crafts true, huh? Meta string crafts, crafts and yeah, yes. Anyway, where do I find the actual interaction with crafting? I guess I need. Wow, that's a long file, you know. Buttons list. I think this is oh, get mod path i3. There is i3 integration, huh? But no unified inventory. Excuse me. Excuse me. You left me without unified inventory integration. I actually wanna. I actually wanna get i3 and see. And from afar, it looked exactly like unified inventory. I think I tried it before. Because I did search for something like not enough items or just enough items. Because that was like the main mod I have always installed when I'm playing Minecraft. And yeah, I don't have Minecraft license, by the way. That's why I can't show AE2 whatever was it applied analytics to like in Minecraft. I can't really test that. That's why we're watching a video. What name? Where's the unified? Oh, here. Yeah, I spent too much time looking at it. Let's see. Let's see. Come on. Boot up. I want to see i3 integration. I want to see i3 integration. I want to see how i3 looks like. Oh wow. Yeah, i3 looks like better than the unified inventory, honestly. And yeah, I knew that. Is there even a backpack? A bag? Can I put anything here? No. This is not a bag. I3. Maybe we should change for I3. I think. Oh, it has some good integration. Notes, items. Yeah, not that good of a group. So, let me take some armor, for example, and yeah, shift click is still. Where did it go? Where did it go? Huh? Okay, that's not a good first impression. Huh? This thing. Okay, sounds are. I'm not used to sounds. Well, I mean, this works. Shield. Oh, I think I don't have offhand here installed. So I can't see. Skins. Yeah, skins actually pretty good. This one I have. Yeah, I'm using those two. Right, we're gonna keep that. Oh my god, this looks cool. This menu looks cool. I can't really click. See, I can't really see, for example, all the biomes here. I can do award separately though. But I mean, this looks good. And waypoints. Do they work the same? Preview area. Wow, that is cool. This is cool. Oh, it's a flag. That is interesting. Hide preview area, change color, remove. Well, it works different. It works really different. Well, not really, but a bit different. But I mean, I kind of like that. And I guess we can have as much waypoints. Wow, it even has prevention of whatever. I think we can have as much waypoints as we like. I just wanna test if it's not capped to 5. Okay, it is not. Let me remove all of that. But that's not why we're here. I actually really like this UI. No. Oh, and this gives me clear inventory, sort inventory, settings. What? High tab, legacy inventory. That's interesting. Oh, it removed one slot, huh? HUD description. Well, that description in my HUD. What's this? Oh, it's yeah, that's broken a little bit. But that is interesting. Collapse list by grouping some items. Font size, I'm not gonna change that. Sorting, automation. That is interesting. Anyway, we're not here for that. We're here to see integration of the inventory. Well, I only hear sounds. By the way, when did I get that? Let me just click on random thing. And yeah, this is still the same. And by the way, as you can see, we don't have it anymore. What? I just pressed this button and my inventory changed. So this thing was lost once. Which is interesting as it didn't happen before. Let's go home. I think home. Is this like I need to enable stuff. Yeah, I need to enable the permission for unified inventory. I don't know here, but I don't see any way to view the crafting recipe, which is pretty disappointing, you know, because that's what you need. Now if I revoke me creative, Okay, you can see usage and this and bookmarks. Back to item list. I can bookmark the item. How do I see my bookmarks though? So in survival that thing... Oh my god, this is so useful, you know. Missing for crafting. Okay, so for example, if I clear my inventory again. Yes, confirm trash. That's cool, no? So search for Microexpansion. I'm assuming it will work the same. Controller requires me steel, machine casing and furnace. Let me do grant me creative and then I will give myself, because I want to see if it can machine casing and furnace. I want to see if it can help me craft like the other mod does. Like oh my god, I can't type M. Mention. Where's the controller? Here's controller. Recipe. Missing items. Oh wait, I did not do the controller before. Furnace is I think a generator. Oh yeah, I can't craft it. Quick crafting. Wow, that is cool. That is cool. But I still don't see the integration with i3. Current player. Oh, I think I know what. I think this inventory is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 items wide. 9 cells wide. If i3 we do 0.8594, 0.8581. And yeah, that's my hotbar. Yeah, I see why. I see why this is. And by the way, vote in chat if you want i3 instead of unified inventory. You can still have bags. Not, I'm not sure how this is working. Vote. You vote for it. Now let me say, you're the only one here who's gonna vote, because you're the only one here who's playing. But if you're for it, I can. So I wanted to look at bags. Orion's silent. Orion gives his vote to you. I know that. He wanted to say that, but he's not on stream, so I guess. Wow. Let's see why. Oh, okay, here. Wow, this reminds me of. What's I can rename it. Wow, that's cool. It's not as where's busy stream? It's not as it doesn't have as much slots in it. Wow, I can take it off and it's gonna say how much full it is. Okay, now I wanna see if a kill works. Has been killed? I don't see myself being killed, huh? Maybe it like prevents me being killed from that because of that. Probably no. Let's see if I can take damage normally. Wait, I can't take damage, huh? Huh? What? Terms. Oh, it briefs. It's privileges, not permissions. Print me all briefs. Did it change? No, it didn't change. Creative peaceful player. Well, actually, yeah. You need clay. Actually, no, it did change. UI full. Okay, that's not helpful. I don't remember what UI full does. Oh, by the way, this inventory doesn't have a button to make it a daytime. I can use time commands though. Is it 6 AM, huh? I think 6 a.m. was different. Yeah, that's more like it. Anyway, we're not here for that. So I can't kill myself apparently for some reason. Do you see my heart changing? Oh, they do change actually. You died? Oh my god, I can't die. I feel like something... I feel like something's actually preventing me from doing it. We did get a chicken. Okay, actually... Okay, actually now. Excuse me, why is damage working half of the time? Okay, finally. Respawn. First of all, I don't know where I was. Actually. Yeah, I think there. Get fast mode. I forgot fast mode existed, to be honest. Okay, not there. I can't check. Wait, I have all my inventory except for the bag, which is the opposite of what I expected. Also, oh, that's me throwing them to myself. Interesting. See, I don't have the bones. So I can't really check. I guess, and yeah, you can tell I tested a few things here. Even Yeti, which I think it's actually still here. No, item not found. Anyway, I have a me system here as well. That's where I was first testing it, and crafting monitor, crafting terminal, and drive. Yeah, as you can see, we have a crafting monitor here. Why do I have slime in a hole? Yes, he's gonna be here. So crafting terminal, crafting monitor. Yeah, I guess this was an interface to the crafter. Anyway, so I guess we were back to the thing. I guess we were going to fix the thing. By the way, since you voted, well, you're the only one who voted. I'm gonna get I3, not I4. And I3. Yeah, people say unified inventory is better. Try like let me see. Trial mode only, progressive mode. To enable it, yeah, I can enable progressive mode. I'm probably not gonna do that though. Quick crafting. That is nice, honestly. That is also cool. Inventory sorting. I mean, I'm not using that. Item list comprehension. I don't know what this is, honestly. And more blocks as well. Bookmarks, that's cool. Waypoints, bags, home, etc. Use lowerJIT, use default free type font style. There is font size too big on certain setups, namely Windows 10, 11 or 144 dpi display. Lowers the value, experience factor. Larger inventories than the usual inventories in Minetest games. Most chests will be updated to use this inventory size. IT uses a larger inventory and chests are gonna be updated. That is interesting. Maybe for this amazing use of the forms field fit very well with the rest of the quick and simple form specs. Normally 5.4 plus. Okay, most of them positive, because if you look at the unified inventory one, I'm gonna control click. Oh, you died because your glider broke. Were you flying? Glider can actually break when flying. Maybe because you smashed into a wall, I don't know. No, no! No way glider breaking just kills you. That's... I mean, how can I really test it? I don't know if I have glider. I think I have a glider. And I think I have it turned down. I don't know how... I need to be... I need to fall down pretty hard. Need some food. Oh wait, yeah. Wait, that's not what I need. Those 5 blocks. That's yeah, that makes sense. So you probably just died naturally. Anyway, I guess that result. Yeah, gliders are a little bit weird. Anyway, unified inventory. If we say that. There's the Unified Inventory Plus, which I copied themes. Oh, it seems which I copied themes from Unified Inventory Plus, which I had before but deleted. Then, if we take a look at the Unified Inventory itself, used to be good. People say that. Weak actions. Very dated. People say. Bulky, slow, little dead. Oh, yeah, a little dated. Well, yeah, people saying sometimes. I like that it has much more categories though. I really like that. And focus. Because this only has notes and items. All notes and items. Yeah, basically notes and items. Because that's just that's not filters list. Everness though. Everness Encyclopedia. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is, honestly, because there was a button which led to a website which crashed the server if I clicked on it. Honestly, notes, but this has Everness Encyclopedia inside. Decorations, bamboo forest, blueberry bush. Why max? Please offset schematic. What? Craft items, for example. Pyrit in the ingot. By the way, I found a bit of it. A bit of pyrit. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it again. So we have biomes, which I think have nodes. I think those are the nodes in the biomes. So Nigel, you might find clay here. Probably not for a second. Coral forest. I know, you might find clay here and then find it on the map. Clay is not from Avernus, I think though. Clay. Wait, where's the clay itself? Clay block. Huh? You know. Anyway, by the way. I'm just can't focus on anything. Clays under sand underwater between y0 and -15 makes sense, you know. So yeah, how am I cloning nodes? Hold on, I need to. Okay, so yeah, I'm not gonna be opening Tmax because then I might leak some IPs. Normally I'm working in Tmax, but I can just cd into mine test. I am on the server already. I hope I'm not gonna compromise anything. So I think I have stuff in world mods. Oh, and by the way, I'm gonna cp world into backups. Let's do 30, 20, 24. Wait, 30, 12. Shift. Keybind to vein minus shift. I'm just gonna do that. So I am baking up. I don't know, this way of baking up. Sorry. Not working. It is working if you either mine ores with a pickaxe or trees with an axe. Not for all trees it might work, but I think it actually works for all trees. In world mods, so here, yeah, I have it organized a bit. CD UI. I can remove unified inventory. Sand with a shovel. It's like, dude, imagine you just come to a river which has a whole, what do you call this thing? Which is like full of sand, and you mine one block with shift, and it's just mine everything. It just crashes. No, it doesn't work like that. It works with ores. You can't just mine a cobblestone with pickaxe using vein miner. That's not how it works. Anyway, I remove unified inventory. That's exactly what you wanted to do. I know, but that's not how it works. So let's see. Depth 1. I think I need it recursive. So yeah, content DB doesn't work, by the way. Luanti is free as in freedom. But, well, you don't get to vein mine sand, because that's too OP. And yeah, it's too OP. Trees are even disabled by default, I know. If not Force Unleashed, you wouldn't have vein miner in the first place. Anyway, let's see the crafting. Get crafted, auto crafter. Haven't even used it once. Yeah, but it is actually really useful if you start using it, especially for trees. Output to inputs, huh? Cooking. Technique, tech age. Auto crafter. Get craft inventory, get list recipe, huh? When does get craft result? Method normal with 3 items recipe. Oh, cache. Source autocraft. Region. Get connected networks. Count index. Get craft. Position inventory hash. Hash not position. Get a cache if not craft recipe. Inventory get list recipe. And try that. We cache it after a recipe changed. It's already being updated to virtual items and don't handle recipes with text sizes greater than 1. Huh? Should have changed. Normalize. What is that? I don't know. Night schools. Was canonical. Uranium dust, huh? What is that? Uranium dust PA. Uranium dust PA -1. No, don't require new centrifugal control. Have it be smart. Huh? What is that? Output my type name. What my inputs? Huh? I don't get any of this. Register a lot of stuff. Get recipe. Type name inputs. On output change. I guess that's where it is. Reload network. Has enough clear recipe. This might be the function I need. Oh, here it is, local function. Has of true. Prevent give name. Room for item main. Huh? linf. What's linf? Full, no room to remove. Set stack recipe I empty thing. Why is this like indentation so weird? So if previous, what's previous? Oh, we get the stack at the index. If previous and previous name is not empty and no room for item, I don't get this line. No room to remove, has enough false. Huh? Insert item, preview net inventory, main get count greater than 0, set storage space to true. This all can full C. Huh? Don't worry about this happening until my test is fully multi-threaded. Okay, so I don't really understand this. They reset the items. I guess I needed to put a guard here. Not quite sure though. So let's let me see. Back to inventory. So I need. I don't remember. Here. I need this thing. I wish there was a clear button. Oh, wait, there's a clear button. So I have item info, which is by the way available on the server. You can do item info on any item. This might help you in future quests. Make sure to know /item info, and it tells you everything about the item you're holding. Might disable them. So I want to see farming. This is from farming. This is from Asuna. Games Asuna. Mods farming. Is there only X farming? Oh, here it is. Now, food, grass, holes, items. This utensils, huh? What is this? Register craft item. Register craft. Huh. Let's I guess see. This thing just sets. Clone. I don't scrap here, I guess. Huh? Recursive. Oh wait, I'm still in Microexpansion. Let's reload the terminal. Let's grab recursive this time. Here. So why is it a dot? Huh? Okay, let's not do that, I guess. The rule lucky block. Okay, so it is recursive by default, which is interesting. Groups, outputs, food. Replacements. Okay, that's what we need to handle, I guess. In food.lua line 271. 271. Here it is. Here. So in craft there is not only recipe but replacements. We replace this by this. Interesting. I'm not quite sure how this works. Rice. Rice, I know. Bread. Rice. Gingerbread man. It's no. Where's the rice? Rice bread. Rice. Rice flour. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce it. Item info. Rice flour. Rice flour. Huh? Not here. But still, I guess replacements. Yeah, I see that. So we need to handle replacements somehow. Okay, that is more complex than I expected it to be. Maybe I should actually look at i3 or Unified Inventory source code. Mods i3 source. I need crafting part. API is probably import caps. Huh? Register craft type. Immediately we have register craft. Please, okay, I guess. Fields, types, progressive model aliases, GUI, bags, caches, callbacks, common, no craft. Craft stack. Recipe. Crafting counts, RCP, whatever. Group name, get stack 4_1 to iter do c means stack leftover get stack Huh? Spawn item. Interesting. Get recipes. There should be something for replacement. There is replacements. There are replacements. Recipe definition. So in the C terminal, we'll have a recipe or whatever, auto craft cache something. Auto crafter cache. Craft. So craft being recipe equals recipe. Consumption is count index recipe. Output equals output decremented input, huh? I wonder what this is. Developer wiki, yeah, developer wiki is broken. Mine test Lua reference. And yeah, I'm still writing mine test in the search bar because it is just easier to find stuff. Returns output decremented input. Like input. I guess it should be applying decremented input. The recipe change. You have the craft. Where's the crafting part? On output change. Here's the crafting part, I guess. No, about clear recipe. Maybe clear recipe is actually a different thing. Stack output stack. So if process has enough, clear recipe position get with yes. Me find by output. Oh, I know why. You know what? I know why it actually works like that. Machine name. Inputs find by output. Name type name recipe. Me get recipe type name inputs. Recipe output. Recipe input inputs. Huh? Output stack. You said stack output. Huh? Well, this is a net and net process. Has enough of to. I don't quite get it. Input time is not normal. Normalize. For each index gets a stack. Now if we, it's exactly the same as the function, the clear function. Storage space. Let me remove item. Stack recipe. No, so the output's not that recipe change. Okay, so it's so storage space true. What's index? Has enough false. Full no room to remove. Oh, I think I know why it is. It's no false if width index width index why? What is this? Sort item into main. Ah, touchpad, just, well, trackpad, whatever you call it. Recipe, items, item index. Main. Item index, I think. Yeah, I think I know. I think I kinda get what happens here. Still, you need to add decremented input now. The best way to do this, make time 6 o'clock. The best way to do this with the crafting terminal is they don't have rice. So I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna take 4. So for example, you have this recipe. Pick one. How to make GCC from that? Actually, I haven't finished that, honestly. Resources, if only I could find this again. It's actually surprisingly hard to find a good tutorial. I've tried this one and this one, and I think I ended up using the second one. Let me see. It's still like, it is pretty, I think they're all pretty outdated. So you have the R here, 3 and RTL. RTL, experienced person developing. Well, GCC is like doing GCC frontend. Is like a lot of work, more than I expected. I mean the boilerplate you need to do. But I mean for C, you don't have any interfaces or stuff like that. Yeah, I think I ended up following this one. Let me just check. Yeah, so I'm just gonna link them both. This one and this one. But I think I have ended up following. Let me get the first chapter. See, I ended up following this one, the second one. Haven't quite finished because I couldn't register functions for some reason. Wait, not register, build functions. Not sure why. Don't really remember. Might come back to it in the future. But yeah, it's for a simple language we're pretty close. Oh, interesting. So yeah, what I was saying, if we have that, and I put this here. So when you click the output, and yeah, when it actually changes, what should happen is first we add the decremented inputs into the terminal. Then we refill the thing. Well, I'm not sure if it's possible. Maybe it's doing this actually, but so broken. It's not working all the time. If I don't know. By the way, this is an actual inventory. I don't know. Maybe it actually does work. Just not. The thing's just not doing it. Now I can actually do. Wait. Yeah, I don't have it. I can do this. Oops. I hope i3 works. Yeah, i3 does work, and you can do all of them without even using it. That's so useful. Anyway, I think we're gonna be ending. I cloned i3. Did I have unified still? Yeah, deleted unified inventory. On the next server restart, it's gonna be integrated. Oh my god, Steam's still offline. Still saying it's offline. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be ending here because I'm, yeah, reason. Not quite qualified enough to say that in English. So I guess, yeah. maybe a stream tomorrow. Not sure. Probably no, because last day before New Year. But yeah, I guess we're gonna be ending. Probably there's gonna be a stream before my birthday, which is soon. So after the New Year, maybe on January 1st, maybe on January 2nd. Probably should be. Nobody I'm following is live. Great. Anyone doing Lua? This guy is doing Minecraft. This is so bad. Tag Lua. Oh, forgot this doesn't work like that. I need to actually pick a tag from the list. Okay, it can't find any channels doing Lua, which I guess is fine if it's. Yeah, I'm the only one. I don't know. Manager. Yeah, stream is rather short today. Just 1.5 hours. Same category and see anyone. Let me recognize. Modding rock throwing. Maybe I should rate this guy. And too many viewers. No. I feel like Unreal Engine. Yeah, I don't feel like raiding any of them. Dragon, huh?
My chance of even going into the sulking state, but only if
C#, I guess Unity, yeah, DirectX.
If happiness is smaller or equal to 0.4.
This
so if you're like under the halfway mark to happiness.
Are you speaking English?
At least.
Yeah. Wasn't game dev? That sounds interesting. Hold on, I need to. Oh no! Don't hack.
Which means that I don't want this.
Chrome froze.
Actually.
Or did it?
I don't.
The Twitch website.
What I want.
Yeah, Twitch page. For some reason, like Chromium pages for me today just freeze sometimes. This happened to YouTube, which, yeah, I watched this tutorial to get more familiar. Snooze. Now, you say wasm. Yes, not wasm. I would guess they would have the tag. No, they don't. If there was a guy doing wasm game dev. See wasm HTML CSS indie game dev. For yours. What's the second? Oh, that's you. So that's it. You're saying that's your message. The second was the game dev. Mario punching React. Okay, that I like that. So yeah, I guess if they're not against me, I'm just gonna raid them. So yeah, a very short stream. Hopefully tomorrow will be longer. Hopefully tomorrow will be a stream. Thank you for joining. And yeah, I will see you next time. Yes. They just repeat somebody's outro. Good night. Thank you. Bye.